How to set up parental controls on Roblox. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about setting up parental controls on Roblox. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to visit the Roblox website, that is roblox.com, log into your account, and then click on the gear icon in the top right corner to access settings. From the drop-down menu, click on settings, then go to parental controls, that is between subscriptions and app permissions. Tap on it. Here, you can link your account to your child's to get access to parental controls and insights on your child's screen time, friends, spending, and more. You can visit parental controls on your child's account and enter your email to get started. You can set an account PIN. You can set an account PIN or two-step verification to prevent unauthorized changes to settings. And then you can restrict the chat and content. For that, go to Privacy and Content Maturity Settings. Click on Communication. Go through experience chat, party, voice chat, camera input, and set the settings to ensure that your child only plays age-appropriate games. You can also review the parent's guide and the monthly spending reports to keep track of your child's activity and set a spending limit for the Robux purchases to control the expenses. And you'll be all set. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.